welcome to another video. Today we are taking a look at this, which is a Numatic wvd902 from the 44th week of 2000. I scored this on Facebook Marketplace for 30 quid, and I mean, it's quite a bargain really. It's a twin motor machine, so it'll use two B2 100 motors in this, so it's like the 80s style George motors, or early 90s or whatever it is. It's George style motors. Apparently it does work. We'll turn it on in a minute. I just want to see what it looks like inside. I have whipped the top off briefly just to see if it had a wet or dry filter in it. But there's the motors, fairly rusty, but no screws are rusted. And then here is the filter, which is been damp and it's full of shit. I mean, we'll clean it up. Can't be that hard to clean up really. Just hoover all the stuff out inside. But yeah, what we'll do, we'll plug it in quick and we'll see what it sounds like. Pins are bent on the plug, so just have to bang it in like that. So let's see. Right, turn the switch on at the machine like that, and now let's see. Yeah, runs fine. No suction there at all because yeah, it's filter's blocked. But yeah, what we'll do, we'll clean it out quick, and then we'll see what it's like. So the machine's all been cleaned out now. Filter's still very dirty, needs washing, but it's better than it was. Literally ruined these two cleaning them out. That block, well, cleaned that, used that with the 38mm hose first, blocked it up, then got that out, used that, blocked that up, and then used that to clean out that. Oh, it was long. But anyway, yeah, we'll put the motor unit back on and we'll see if this has improved it. It should have. Right, okay, some issues with my camera, but it now runs much better. Extremely powerful. Runs fairly smooth as well, so I'm probably going to use it to clean out these two. But yeah, there we go, there's a quick video of that, although it's not the best video. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.